Hi guys, Andre here from Carplay Solutions. Today we're going to install this nice upgraded steering wheel in this BMW 435 F33. So keep watching for this simple installation. Okay, so first up we're going to disconnect the battery because we don't want any explosions. So with this vehicle, it's quite an interesting place where the battery is. So we're going to have to remove this panel here. Right, so I've disconnected the positive, and now the thing you should remember is don't close the boot, because otherwise you're going to struggle to get it open again. So what's next is you just take a flathead screwdriver, and then you'll see there's a little hole there on this side and the same on the other side. So you're just going to push this in, and then you'll feel there's a little spring or something that you just pull in, and then you can just pull the airbag on this side so that it unclips, and then you can do the same with the other side. And there we go. Airbag is removed, and now you can just unclip it. So that's the airbag. Right guys, so now I have the 16 millimeter socket. So just gonna loosen it, and then you can remove this, unscrew this bolt. Just remember to unplug these plugs. It's removed. Here we go. So now it should just pull off with a new steering wheel. So you'll see that it has little flat surfaces there. That's only one place where it has that flat surface. So you should just keep it upright here. And there we go. It's nice. It's in. One thing you should remember is to always put back the bolt. A lot of times people forget it, and then they'll have to remove the airbag again. So I'm just gonna put it in with my hand, and now I'm gonna plug this cable in here. Here we go, and then I'm gonna fasten it. Go. It's not too tight, not loose, and then we can put in the airbag. So you'll notice that that plug is not plugged in. I think that is for the heater. That steering wheel has the heating function. We didn't opt in for the heating function on this one, so I think that is for the heating. So then I'm just going to slide this in back here. There we go. I'm going to plug this into the OBD. It's for the setup. So we're just going to slide it in there. And now that we've tested it, everything looks fine. I'm going to quickly just tighten the battery so that there's no loose connection, and then we can close up the video. So this is the next day. We finally tested everything. It's brilliant. Looks nice. So yeah, if you're interested in one of these steering wheel upgrades, get in contact with us. We can supply all across the world. Carplay Solutions. We can even get the cluster upgrade. We're going to do the cluster install in the next video. Also do an Android radio installation as well, so keep watching. But yeah, contact us if you need any other information. This LED panels work nicely. Really great unit. yeah, let me quickly show you guys. Really nice.